Hi, do you know your learning style? Yes, I'm asking you only because it is very important to know your learning style. See, when I say learning style, I'm asking about what kind of learner you are. What is the best way for you to learn and understand the things? So just have a look on the screen. And these are the three standard learning styles. So you might be a school student who is watching this video, or you might be a parent watching this video. So if you are the parent, then try to identify what's your kids learning style is. So guys, there are three standard learning styles. One is auditory, second one is visual, and third one is kinesthetic. Let's try to understand each style in a deeper way and try to understand to what age these will be applicable. So the first learning style is auditory. That's nothing but we learn things by hearing. So it may be an one-to-one conversation. It may be an hearing to podcast. It may be participating in group discussions. It may be oral presentations or watching videos. So when I say watching videos, the video will not have much visual content. It will have more of audio content. Means video will be playing, but that video will not attract you because nothing is there in that video. But the audio will really help you to learn something. So if you learn things by this kind of activities, then you are a auditory learner. Okay. And the second one is visual. So there are few people who understands things by visualization. So it may be graphs, illustrations, pictures, PowerPoint slides, videos, and articles. So if you learn things by visual presentations, then you are a visual learner. So generally, kids of smaller age, they learn things by hearing and visualizing. And the third style is kinesthetic. That's nothing but this type of learning involves hands-on activity. Learning through role plays, learning through note making, learning through meetings means you will be participated in an activity and you will be learning things through that. So have you observed or not? Most of the play schools conduct this role plays and this kind of activities where each and every children will get a chance to participate and learn things. So comment below this video if you are watching this video on YouTube or Facebook or Instagram or any social media platform, and if there is any possibility to comment below this video, then comment below this video that what type of learner you are or what type of learner your kid is. I'll show you one more learning activity, but generally these three are known as VAK learning style: visual, auditory, and kinesthetic. Few children will have these three styles, and it is always very important to involve our kids in all these three activities. Why? Because all the senses will work balancedly and they start learning things in a more better way. So this VAK style is more of suitable for kids learning activities, means up to play schools. This is the best way to learn the things, or this is the best way to teach the things. The next one is when the children gets habituated with reading and writing. When they start learning reading and writing, then the next learning style is reading and writing also. Why? Because along with learning, it is always very important to have notes on that. And whatever you have written, again you read it and you will never forget in your life. So for children who are capable of reading and writing, who means the children who have a little bit grown up, those who can read and write, then the fourth learning style will also really help them to learn things in a more better way. So guys, let me explain you why I'm speaking all these things to you. Guys, myself is Atish Jain and I train students on computer programming courses. That's the thing, but I teach coding practices to students. And I have a platform especially for kids right from grade 4 to grade 11. So if you are the one who is watching this video and studying in grade 4 to grade 11, then this is one of the very important learning platform for you if you are interested in learning coding. Okay, so if you are the parent who is interested in enrolling your kid for a coding course, then watch this video till the end. I am going to show you one beautiful platform which will have involvement of these 4 learning activities. And here I am going to introduce you Code Junior learning platform. Now I am going to introduce you Code Junior, which is a self-learning platform. This is audio-visual artificial intelligence based platform if you want to learn coding. See, on the left hand side, you have lot of chapters. Each chapter will have small micro video lessons. They will be for 1 or 2 minutes max. So I'll show you one lesson. You can just watch it. Okay.
Computers shape our day-to-day life. Thanks to them, we get to enjoy the best of what technology has to offer, from video games to social media. Through this course, you'll discover how...
So like this, every lesson will have quiz and code practice also. Just have a look.
Every day, we use many types of applications to entertain ourselves, to simplify our life, and even to complete our work.
Okay, now you can see, you can watch the video for every lesson, then you can go to tips and you can study here. The complete introduction will be given to that particular chapter. And if you want to practice coding, then click on the code button and the code window will be before you. So here you have been given with a task. See the task? To successfully complete this exercise, you must add another robot.forward instruction. See, programming is nothing but giving instruction to a computer system to perform a task. Okay, so here, if you want to make this robot to move 1 step forward, you have to use robot.forward once. Again, if you want this robot to move 1 more step forward to reach this goal, again you have to write robot.forward. So one time it is already given by the system itself, and here you have to write the second step, robot.forward, and give semicolon and click on run button. Have you seen? Once it is done, you can validate it. That's nothing but whatever you have written is correct or not. Yeah, I passed. So guys, this platform will have all the learning styles which I said to you. You have visualization, you can listen to the audio, you will be involved in coding practices. Again, you can click on tips and you can read and you can maintain a notes on this also. So guys, what are you waiting for? If you are really interested to learn coding, then Just see the registration information I have given on this video. Otherwise, if you're watching this video on any social media platform, then check the description. In the description I have given the registration link. The registration link is, just open your browser. In the browser you type atish.co, atish.co/cj register. Type this and you will be taken to the registration page. Submit your details and attend my free webinar this weekend. And I'll be waiting for you. Bye-bye.